Hi guys, welcome. It's August the 2nd on 2021, and things always change, right? So when we update this morning, we get this kind of thing. Public keyring is not found, certainly something has gone wrong. Keys, always think about the pacman key service, and that's what's going wrong. System CTL status, the pacman key, pacman init service. So it's a service in your system and something goes wrong in there. Now I have a package available that's gonna work, but it's first of all still in testing, so we're fixing it as we go along. So testing is activated as you see here, but in the future, after this, if this is the solution, right, you don't need to go and activate testing, but that's our thing. I'm on XAML, by the way, and I need to get past those errors, right? I want to update my system and I need to go past the errors. Now we've done something. We've always solutions in the .bin. There is lots of fun stuff, but also how to stay rolling and how, well, important things, main, right? Fixes, keys, Linux LTS, Samba, swap file. And in here we have already something for the fixes, fix pacman databases and keys. So I'm going to use that one. Fixes, pacman, fix, and then pacman database and keys. Off it goes, changing all my things. Look at that. There is even a China ArcoLinux in there for me. This is, well, my fun SSD. So I added the ArcoLinux of China, the repo there. And that's how you get going again, right? And this is probably gonna be our solution, the ArcoLinux systemd services git. So when things change, we change with it. That's the only way. Checks that we're going all right. I mean, for the last months, right? Suddenly, it doesn't start anymore, and we got this error. And now we solve the error. Simple as that, and we share the knowledge again. And pacman init service is now changed. Oh yeah, if you want to see where it is at, file etc system. Sorry, yeah, I'm good. I'm on my way to. Not really fan of the font now because it's very tiny for me. My eyesight systemd system, and we have the pacman init service, and we've changed a few lines. We've deleted a few lines up here, and we've just typed populate. So anything that you have on your system, it will add it to the list. In our case, it's ArcoLinux, and Chaotix. All right, there you go. That should be the fix. Haha, that's because we have something special here, you see. Rebuilding hook, that's because we have this Linux preset and we have this special Linux kernel. Oh, sorry. No, it's not the right thing. I was saying rubbish because I just covered the little red thing like this, right? And then I thought, hey, an error. No, there's no error. Everything works just fine. Oh my god. So never mind. This may be the only video where I can show you the issue and how to solve it. All right, so that's it for me. I can maybe systemctl restart pacman init service, and then we'll see something, hopefully a green sign, right? Status, a green sign, active, exited. That's what we should get. So we initialize everything, we populate everything, and all the guys go in there. And who are all the guys? ArcoLinux and Chaotix. So you don't see the ArcoLinux, but the ArcoLinux, but it's there. Trust me. All right, that should solve any of your issues about keys. Knowledge. That's all it is. Cheers.